A simple subquery executes independently of the outer query. The subquery executes first and then passes its results to the outer query. There are two basic types of subqueries: those that operate on lists introduced with in, or those that a comparison operator modified by any or all. Subqueries with in. The result of a subquery introduced with in or with not in is a list of 0 or more values. After the subquery returns results, the outer query makes use of them. This query returns the categories of products Sony makes. This statement is evaluated in two steps. First, the subquery is executed and returns a set of category IDs that match the brand Sony from the brands table. This is passed to the outer query. Then in used in the where clause verifies if the category ID in the current row is part of the set that the subquery returned, and only those categories are returned. Category IDs 1, 2, and 4 are not returned by the subquery, so the main query does not return those categories. You can include more than one criteria in the subquery and the outer query. Use this statement to get the details of customers whose order total is greater than 35,000 and the sales rep is 99009 who are from Texas. The subquery returns the customer IDs from the order table meeting this criteria, which is passed to the outer query. The outer query then uses the list and returns the customers existing in the list using the in operator and who are from Texas. Subqueries introduced with the keyword not in also return a list of 0 or more values. Use this statement to return products which are not from Sony. The subquery returns the brand ID of Sony product categories from brands table. Not in the outer query matches the brand ID in the products table, which is not in the list returned by subquery, and returns the products which are not from Sony. Subqueries with comparison operators. Subqueries can be introduced with one of the comparison operators. Subquery must return a single value rather than a list of values, unlike subqueries introduced with in. Use this statement to return the Dell laptops from the products table. The subquery returns only a single value which is passed to the outer query. If the subquery returns multiple values, Access will throw an error. The query returns the Dell products. Subqueries introduced with comparison operators often include aggregate functions because these return a single value. Use this statement to return products whose price is greater than the average price. The subquery returns the average price, which is used by the outer query. The query returns products whose price is greater than the average price. Subqueries cannot include group by or having clauses unless you know the group by or having clause itself returns a single value. You can use this statement to get the list of laptops whose price is less than the average price of laptops. The subquery gets the average price of laptops using the group by and having clause. The query returns list of laptops whose price is less than the average price of laptops. Subqueries using comparison operators modified by any or all. Subqueries introduced with a modified comparison operator return a list of 0 or more values and can include a group by or having clause. Using the greater than comparison operator as an example, greater than all means greater than every value. In other words, it means greater than the maximum value. For example, this statement returns the average price of laptops for each brand. It is used as a subquery in this statement. It returns laptops whose price is greater than the average price of the laptop in each brand. When greater than all is used for a row to satisfy the condition specified in the outer query, the value in the column introducing the subquery must be greater than each value in the list of values returned by the subquery, basically the max value. The maximum value returned by the subquery is 1300. So only laptops whose price is greater than 1300 are returned. Greater than any means that for a row to satisfy the condition specified in the outer query, the value in the column that introduces the subquery must be greater than at least one of the values in the list of values returned by the subquery. In the same statement, if greater than any is used, the query returns products whose price is greater than at least one value. Basically, it must be greater than the min value returned by the subquery, that is 352. The equal to any operator is equivalent to in. This query using in returns the product categories sold by Sony. Change the in to equal to any, same results are returned. The not equal to any operator, however, differs from not in. Not equal to any means not equal to A or not equal to B or not equal to C. Not in means not equal to A and not equal to B and not equal to C. Not equal to all means the same as not in. For example, this query using not in returns products which are not Sony. Change not in to not any. The query returns all the products including Sony products. This is because the outer query returns the row if the brand ID in that row is not equal to at least one value in the subquery. Now change it to not all operator. You will get the same results as not in. This is because the outer query returns the row only if the brand ID in that row is not equal to all the values in the subquery. To download example access file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.